Hey everyone, welcome to Rookie Analysis. My name is Saad and I'm back with another trading opportunity. This time we're gonna discuss Bitcoin USDT and forgive me for my voice. It's a little down. I've got cold, so just bear with me. All right. So not without wasting any of your time, last analysis that I gave on BTC that was from this area, and I projected that our projected targets will be around 21,291, and the market stopped on its first cycle at 21,290. So there was a difference of $1. So it was quite precise, in my opinion. So anyhow, moving forward, let's see where Bitcoin is gonna go from here, and what are we are expecting. And reason being, I don't trade Bitcoin. The reason is it's too slow for me to gain any profit from it, but it is a very good indicator to map out the market, that in which direction it's gonna go. So it is compulsory for us to know the next move of Bitcoin. So let's get into it, and let me show you how it's gonna play from this moment. So as you guys, from any of those who are following me, they know that I'm a found lover of basically head and shoulder pattern, and I'm gonna figure it out using two methods. One is Fibonacci harmonic, and the second one is head and shoulder pattern. So according to our first method, head and shoulder pattern, I told you guys over and over again, when you see a first volume bar, a big one, that is the right completion of right shoulder, and the second one you're gonna see it's the actual breakout. The second one we saw is around in this area. I'm gonna take a trend line from here, and we are gonna take it all the way here. I'm not putting it all the way, reason being, all we need is the head and the right shoulder to confirm the breakout, and head to actually measure the profit targets. So based on this is our head and shoulder pattern. Let me go up to the 2-hour chart and show you. I'm gonna drag it. My mouse is acting a bit, so just bear with me. This is left shoulder. This is the head. This small thing is the right shoulder. Okay, so this is the deepest point in the chart, this area, 15,578, and I'm gonna take it a trend line from here all the way to here. I think it's a straight line. Okay, so I'm gonna drag it over the breakout. So 24,450 is the reach using head and shoulder pattern, and let's confirm it now that if our readings are correct or not, or I'm missing out on something. So let's go back to our previous chart. I'm going to delete this. We already took the point of reference, so we know where the projected targets are from head and shoulder pattern. This is the point of reference. I'm going to tell you shortly why I took that impulse leg from here. Okay, so previous chart, hold on, cipher pattern. Okay, so on previous chart we, one second, this is this is our XY leg, 6.8 retracement. It went down to 0.414. Those guys who are following me know that if the point reversal is from 1.272, 0.272 in minus, in negative, the projected targets will be 0.618 of the retracement. And if the cipher pattern readings from the retracement from 0.618 or 0.5 or 0.382 goes down to 0.414, the projected targets will be 0.5. It will be a 1 grade less than the 272 target, that's 0.5. So our completion of chart is here. As you guys can see, this is the completion. This is the last week we then saw a push down. Okay, so this is now that we have established that we have a completion of head and shoulder, a cipher pattern, I'm going to delete this to make things simple. We went down to 0.5 to 0.382. In all those who are watching me, I tell you in every video the readings that I take for the projected target, and I told you numerous times, 0.5 to 0.382 retracement is gonna be a target of 0.886 of the whole retracement. 0.618 to 0.3882, it's gonna be the same thing. The 0.886 projected targets is gonna be there. So our projected target for this point, based on the chart, let me show you again. This was the chart. One second. This is our pattern. Sorry. X to A leg, A to B, B to C, 0.5 to 0.382, and we saw completion around here. Okay, so this was our harmonic pattern that already is completed. Now what we are seeing here is a reversal from 0.86 level, and let's see how it goes from this point onwards. Since we reached the projected target of this chart, now let's delete it. Look, let's mark the place first as well. Hold on. Okay, so this was our projected target. We already hit that. Now what we are seeing here, I'm going to delete it to show you guys, is a head and shoulder pattern. It is gonna go down from here, and let's see where it's gonna go down to. So this is our head and shoulder pattern. Let me show you clearly. This is our left shoulder. This is the head, and this is gonna be a right shoulder. We're gonna see a breakout. It's not gonna be, in my opinion, it's not gonna go up. It's gonna go down first, and then we'll see a move from towards the upward direction. So from the head and shoulder pattern, we are expecting it to fall to this area, almost 21,000, 20,900 something, almost 21,000. Now let's see what readings are we getting from our Fibonacci tool. This was our retracement. We go directly to the from 886.382, and now let me give you some readings. The Fibonacci, the findings that I have found. Actually, the simplest, the one you will get on the internet, will be a cipher pattern reading from X to A, goes to 0.618 or 0.5 or 0.382, and the retracement will be to the downside in negative. If negative is 0.272, you will see a projected target of 0.618. If it goes down to 0.414, people say that it will go down, go up to 0.618, but I have not found it like this. The projected target will be 0.5. There is a miscommunication there, or someone must have look at the wrong chart, because my reading says that the targets from a cipher pattern that goes down to 0.414 is 0.5, and I have confirmed it over and over again from so many different charts using the historical data. Now if we go to 0.81886 and we go down to 0.618 and we saw a push up, the projected targets are 1.414 of the total retracement. I'm telling you guys these ratios so you guys understand that how this Fibonacci and harmonic pattern works. And if you miss any or you forget any, you just save the video, you can watch it later, and you will have the idea what kind of reading you should look for and what are your projected targets. From 0.886, if the retracement goes down to 0.618, the projected target will be 1.414 of the total retracement. If from 0.886 if it goes down to 0.5, the projected target will be 1.272 of the total retracement. And in the third scenario, if price goes down from 0.886 to 0.382, the projected targets for that move will be the 100% retracement of the Fibonacci retracement. So in this case, the projected targets, the head and shoulder pattern confirms that it's going to go down to 0.382 level, and since it's going down to 0.382 level, our projected targets will be 100% of the retracement, that is this. Let me draw it for you. We're going to see a move up from here. My mouse is actually acting up a bit. I don't know what the reason is. I think I have dropped it because I checked the The cells, they are working fine. I think I need to change it now. Okay, so this is the move we are expecting, 1%. Now the interesting thing about it, that you guys can see there is a small shoulder lies here, and we go down all the way. Now we are expecting our targets to go at this area, and then we're gonna see a reversal as well. So in other words, it's gonna be another head and shoulder pattern in making. For a trader, you have to be very imaginative, very imaginative. If you have good imaginations, you can predict the market so good that you have no idea. So you have to always predict the move, and I predict the moves using the Fibonacci harmonic and using head and shoulder pattern. I use two methods at least to confirm the entries and exit. So if you guys understand the method of BTC moving down, going down to 0.382, that is 21,000 level, and going up towards 245 almost. So that is how it's gonna play in my opinion, and you do check it with your own method as well. And if you like the analysis, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and have a good day from my side. All right, take care, bye bye.